G'day guys, welcome back. I am doing a little test in consistency for the bloom technique. Now I was told that the first layer, the pillow, is the thickest. The second layer, the colours, is the medium one, and then the top layer, the cell activator, is the thinnest one. So I am going to put that theory to the test and see if my consistency is right. Now this is my pillow paint here. It's just a low sheen white interior wall paint. So actually I won't put it on just yet. So that's that one there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a dot there of the pillow, a dot of my colours which I've made up, and then a dot of the cell activator, and I'm going to tip them. And by the way that they run should tell me if I've got my consistency right. I think that's just easier than me doing pours constantly and scraping them because they're not right. Okay, so these paints here are Jo Sonja's. They're quite a liquid paint, quite thin, so I've mixed them 3 parts of the pouring medium to 1 part Jo Sonja's. You can kind of squirt them out. It's not a thick paint like a Liquitex Basics is. And that pouring medium is 3 parts of the low sheen interior untinted paint to 1 part gloss varnish. So that's what's made in those. And then my cell activator, my last one, I just used Floetrol and paint, but this time I'm going to go with the one that's got a little bit of glue in it. So we'll see how that goes. I haven't used it yet, just made it up. All right, so everything's ready. Let's do our little consistency test. Put a blob of the pillow paint down and a blob of the purple. Actually, that's probably not a very good test, is it? The blobs probably all have to be the same size. Silly woman. All right, let me just wipe that off. Because obviously it's a bigger blob, it's going to go faster, isn't it? Okay, now I better dry it again. Just grab a piece of paper towel. Yeah, I didn't think about that. I just thought, oh, well, you have much more pillow paint. I'll just use much more of it. But no, that's not how you do an experiment, is it? They all have to be the same. All right, so now that's sitting up higher already than that. So I can see that that's thicker. And now, cell activator. And this is white. I just made up a black as well, so we'll see how that goes. All right, are we ready? Now this one should be the slowest, the medium, and the fastest, if I've got it right. And doesn't look as if I got it right. This one looks as if it's the thickest. So there you go. So this is doing what I thought it would do. This is doing what I thought it would do. This one I just thought would come down to about here. So this is telling me that it's too thick. So I will make up some more at a different ratio, and then I'll have another try. Because as I said, that should be about there by now, if it was right. So have a go. If you're doing this, just have a little practice. You know, it should be doing this 1, 2, 3, pillow paint activator. So have a little play around until you get that right, and I will have another go at mixing up my paints, and I will see you soon. Okay guys, I have thinned out my paint a little bit more. Now the yellow is actually the thinnest out of all of the paints. So let's do that experiment again. Get the fluff off. Little blob of the pillow paint. Little blob, same size. So we want it to flow the same of the yellow. I'm wasting all my yellow. and the cell activator, same size. Hopefully they're all about the same size. This one probably needs a little bit more. It's because it's higher up. It's sitting higher up because it's thicker. That one's spreading more. It's thinner. Okay, let's see if I've got it right this time. Go yellow. Go. Go, you good thing. It's better, but it's still not thin enough. Looks as if it's about the same as this, doesn't it? The pillow. Let's have a look at the consistency, shall we? I don't know that I want to make it any thinner, actually. I might just leave it like that. Is it going to focus? So that's the consistency I've got here. Don't think I want to make it any thinner. I might just have a go with the pillow and the paint being about the same, and then the cell activator obviously is much thinner, which sits on top, so it's easily blown across. So let me have a go with that consistency, and we'll see how we go, hey? That'll be coming up in the video after this, so stay tuned for that one.